Now, let me show you how you can turn off camera tracking on the iPhone. So most likely you are referring to the fact whenever you are on a video call, right, and somebody calls you like this and you pick it up, you'll be able to see that there is the ability to essentially track the face, right? So as you can see now that this is your camera, this is the view of yourself, and as you are on a video call, like on the FaceTime video chat, you can see that you can tap on your profile in here or in your camera, and in there you will have the ability to control some things like the tracking, for example. So if you swipe down from the top right like this, you'll be able to click on the FaceTime in the control center, and you can first of all isolate the voice and also play around with the video. So if you have some options like you show your face in there, you will have the ability to disable the tracking, which is a feature called the center stage, right? So you'll be able to find it in here. So whenever you are on a video call, you can swipe down like this, click on the camera or FaceTime controls, and you will have the ability to enable the as I said, a center stage, which is the feature that tracks your face. So that's how you can do this. That's how you can disable it. Let me know if you managed to find it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.